Hey, we're at where are we? We're in York, PA, at the Heritage Rail Trail. Going to do a little bike riding. It's only 21 miles, piece of cake. I have it done in like 20 minutes. Yeah. But we'll probably end up going like 3 or 4 miles and turn around because we're old. Yeah, but anyway, we'll see you on the trail. Hey everybody, we're now on the rail trail. We've completed a whopping 1 mile. Yep, about wiped out. 1 mile, 20 to go, and then we turn around and do it again.
Over the cracks, through the woods. It's real pretty back in here. And it's nice and cool today.
We've got 21 miles through Pennsylvania, another 20 miles through Maryland. We're not doing the whole thing. We're around 5.5 miles, so we're gonna stop soon at the next mile marker and then just turn around. It is the first day this year, so we're not gonna kill ourselves first shot. And off we go! Okay, this is where we go find the big jump. Jean's gonna Superman over there.
Wonder Woman it.
Wonder Woman.
I love tunnels.
There we go, another tunnel, or same tunnel. Hey everybody, we're riding. Yeah, we've done what, 6 miles? We've done about 6 miles. We're heading back now. Oh, we gotta watch out. People coming. Okay, it's pretty flat here. It's a rail trail, so you got no more than like 11 degrees. But it's a good ride, 20 plus miles. So. You got Jeanne up there, looking gorgeous as always. Say hello, Jeanne. No, there you go. Okay. And we're back. Did about 12 miles today. Nothing crazy, but enough. Did you have fun?
Yeah, actually it was a great ride. I liked it a lot.
Cool.
Yeah.
We're coming back. We'll do it again.
Yeah. And it was a nice day too. It was overcast and we got rained on and stuff, so it wasn't hot or anything. It was cool.
It was cool.
It was cool.
Okay, now time to go home. Bye-bye.